Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool image right here, and basically what these are some non-stick frying pans. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from this brand right here. And for the one that we got right here, it comes with a 2-piece. So basically give you guys an 8-inch and also 11-inch as well. So basically the inner layer definitely has like a non-stick material inside, but the outer layer is stainless steel. If you can see the handle part right here, and also the bottom as well. And you can see this is basically what the product looks like right here. If you can see in the back right here, they provide you guys some more information about the product as well. And they also mentioned for the product right here, you definitely want to wait for it to actually cool down first before you guys wash it. And for this product right here, they actually have it available in different colors as well. So I believe they have in the black one, yellow one, blue one, and also green one, and some other ones as well. The one that we got right here is the green one. And also on the side right here, if you can see, they provide you guys some more information about the product as well. So they basically describe each different part on here, the inner layer, the outer layer, and everything else. Let me actually open up and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically actually looks like inside. So they show you guys all the different color options available right here, and also show you guys what they have as well. But once you guys open up, you guys can see that this is what actually looks like inside right here. So let's take all of them out. So right here we have the first one, and this should be the 8-inch pan. We remove the wrapper right here. You guys can see that this is basically what the product looks right here. So definitely have like that non-stick coating on here. If you see the green color inside right here, it definitely looks really nice. And having that color option on here is actually really unique, because usually non-stick pans are always just one color, maybe like black or whatever. But definitely when you guys hear the material on here, it definitely feels like a high quality material on here. And we see right here in the handle part right here, it definitely is a high quality stainless steel as well. They do have the brand logo right here, and they do have the little hole option right here if you guys want to hang it on somewhere as well. If you flip it to the back side, you guys can see this is what actually looks like the back part right here. So you can definitely see a logo right here, but the way how they design right here, you can definitely use in many different stove top. So gas stove, induction cooktop, or whatever. And also if you can see the way how they designed the handle part here, is sealed in really nice as well. So this is the first pan that we have right here, which is the 8-inch. Let me show you the other one as well. Alright, so here we have the next one. This one is the 11-inch. So let's take out the wrapper first. Alright, so once we take it out, you guys can see that this is what actually looks like for this one right here. So this one is definitely much bigger, but in terms of the design and everything, it's basically the same thing. So it definitely still has like that non-stick coating on here, and it definitely has like that very nice green color on here. Where you guys see the material on here, it definitely still has that high quality material on here. Same thing for the handle option right here as well. Definitely use like a high quality stainless steel on here. And then right here they do have the little hole option, so if you guys want to hang on somewhere, you definitely can. On the side right here, it's definitely sealed up really nicely as well, so you don't have to worry about damaging the handle or actually falling anytime soon. And you see the bottom part here is basically the same thing. They do have the logo right here, and definitely work with many stovetop. So gas stove top, induction cooktop, or whatever. And this is basically what the product looks like from the side right here. Definitely looks like a high quality stainless steel. So when you guys put both of them side by side, you can definitely see the difference on here. So this one right here is 8-inch, and this is the 11-inch. So if you guys need to cook more stuff, you probably want to use the 11-inch. If you guys want to cook less stuff, you definitely want to use a smaller one right here. They do mention for the pans right here, it actually helps you guys evenly distribute the heat on here when you guys are cooking. So that way it actually cooks much faster and heats up your food faster as well, but also spreads the heat evenly as well. And they also mention if you guys want the best result on here, it's highly recommended for you guys to use a medium heat or low heat, not on high heat, if you guys want to prolong the life on here. And obviously when you guys use any kind of like non-stick pans, you definitely want to use like a silicone or wooden utensil to actually cook stuff on here, or any kind of like non-stick pan, so that way you guys have to worry about scratching your product or whatever. But this is basically what the product looks like for both of these right here. Let me actually go test this out and show you guys how it works and when it actually works, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so it looks like it's ready. Let me add a little bit of oil in here first. Alright, so we got the oil in. Let me actually add the eggs on top. So you can definitely see how well the product works on here. It doesn't actually stick on. The thing you guys see on the side right here actually comes off really easily, but I'm not worried about that part right there. So if you guys want to make like scrambled eggs or whatever on here, you definitely can. But you definitely see the non-stick material on here actually works really well. Nothing I stick it on the bottom right here, if you can see. And even when you guys hold the handle right here, it doesn't feel hot, because they definitely have a good length on here. So that way this part is probably hot and this part is not right here. But definitely see the product definitely does work for the non-stick material on here. So now that it's a quick test, our product definitely see that it does work. Actually works quite well. Obviously, if it's your first time using a product, you definitely want to wash it first. But so far, you can see the product definitely works really well. So if you guys want to pan fry stuff, if you guys want to cook egg in here, or if you guys want to stir fry stuff on here, you can definitely do all that on here and it actually doesn't stick, which is pretty cool. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that you're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for some high quality non-stick pans to use for like cooking, for pan frying, or even stir frying stuff, or many other ways. You can definitely use this however you guys want to. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.